Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to do some Goddess Faux Locs on some real locks. So if you like to see the process, then keep watching. Okay, so I already split the curly hair in half. I'm gonna take my crochet needle, stick it through the locks. This is 2 locks twisted together. Attach the curly hair, close the latch, pull it through. Pull one end all the way through, keep the other end on the other side. So now that it's split, I'm gonna make one end longer and one end shorter. Then I'm gonna take my Marley hair here. I'm gonna split it in half. And the purpose of splitting it in half is so that it can be thicker, so I can have more to work with when I wrap the hair. So like the curly hair, I do the same thing. I stick my crochet needle through the locks, attach the Marley hair, close the latch, and pull through. With the Marley hair, I make one side long, one side short, and I'm gonna grip all the hair in one hand like this and leave the long piece of Marley hair loose, and I'm gonna grab it and twist tight. Twisting tight allow for the roots to be tight. I know my hand in the way now, but I'm holding the lock because I am starting the foundation. So you twist it around a couple times before you actually move down and create the lock. And so you notice my fingers. I grab the Marley hair, I wrap it under, I open, grip it over. Pull my hair out so it's not tangled. And this the Marley hair that I grip. Now it's over. And I continue to do that process. Just wrap, grip, flip. Wrap, grip, flip. Wrap, grip, flip.